back to All Things Amanda. I am Amanda, and this is my best friend, Rio.
With beat faces.
And I don't know if you noticed our shirts. They're matching. We met when we were 18 years old. We were both from Michigan.
I was 18.
Yeah, she was 18. I was 21. I'm still trying to be 18. Sorry.
She told me she was a nail technician. And
fun fact.
Yeah, she's actually still really good at nails. Yeah. She did a set that I have been in love with for many, many years now. One of my favorite sets. It was Chanel. I still have a photo of it too on like my iCloud. Being in Detroit, you know, as much as I love the city,
it's so cold. There's really not much that you can do out there. Not in the winter, at least. It's kind of miserable. Like, I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. There's a lot of parts of Michigan that are very, very beautiful, including
I said not miserable though.
We both had similar goals and aspirations, and one of them included coming to LA, and I moved to LA first. I went straight to Long Beach, got my own apartment. My mom helped me for like a week, just get settled in and get comfortable. And I was still in touch with Rio, and I was telling her, like, police fucking come out here, I'm by myself.
Sorry guys.
Explicit content.
We are adults though. Yeah. Over 21.
27.
No, you can't admit that on camera.
Oh shit. I'm 21. So she actually moved out here. She came out here a month after I did. So when we first moved, we didn't really have money. We just had like enough to get by with our bills.
Barely that.
I remember when we came here, we were both sleeping on air mattresses in a hot ass apartment that had no air conditioning. Do you remember that? Do you remember when your bed would deflate?
Okay, so I fill my bed up every night. I don't know what the hell happened, but I would fill my bed up every night, and in the morning I would be like
flat on the ground. It wasn't that stressful. I mean, as far as bills went, it was a little stressful because we were adulting.
Always stressful. Like, I'm proud of us.
Me too.
Fuck it up, sis.
Do you remember when we used to go out partying in Hollywood, but we didn't have a car?
Are you sure you want to go there?
We would always go clubbing in Hollywood when we first moved here, and we didn't have a car, and we didn't have any friends. We just knew we wanted to go to the club and hear some music. We would pack bags, hop on the train in Long Beach, take it like an hour to Hollywood, find a McDonald's or like a Starbucks that we can change in because we were too scared to like get all dolled up on the train. So we would get ready in the bathroom of the McDonald's on Hollywood Boulevard.
It's so ratchet.
Keep our bags with us. Get into the club. So at the club there's couches that you can lift up, and underneath there's like storage. So I remember us putting our backpacks in the storage unit, or whatever storage unit. Because we didn't know what we were gonna wear until we got to McDonald's, you know?
I don't know how we pulled that off.
We're like more mature, but like, I don't wanna say more immature, but more free-spirited.
Catch this way.
Oh, this is what it feels like.
I have one for you if you want, actually.
Really?
I have, which I bought like 4. I'm gonna go get one right now for you. Okay.
What can I have?
I don't care.
It's really weird because I don't really like the color pink, but it's been literally taking over
I feel like that's
my life recently. Oh my
I haven't seen it. Is it brand new?
One, 2, 3.
You can't laugh, you have to be serious.
So one thing that I really admire about you, Rio, is that you are always headstrong. Like, it doesn't matter how tough the situation may be, and you're always motivated, and you always have a positive outlook on everything that you do. And I think that is very admirable.
Thank you.
And I feel like that has made me the bad bitch that I am today.
Well, you know what, one thing I can say that I admire about you is the fact that you have always persevered no matter what the challenge was. You know how to balance your life quite a bit, and I think that is such a great skill to have.
Thanks, and I feel like you have definitely developed that over the past couple of years.
Thank you. Okay.
You got power.
Boom. What's up?
And today's forecast. Today's post notification shout out goes to you, Heathen Child. Thank you for always supporting me and commenting on my videos. And I just want to thank everybody else as well for all of your support since day one. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night. You, hide the kids, hide the wives.
just say bye to your fans. And say that you have more for them. And say bye.
Okay, you ready?
Are you ready?
Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends. There'll be more coming soon.
Y'all should have never gave a broke bitch a fan. Or any kind of money.